a brain smaller than a chimpanzee's, a height of about 1 meter, but the ability to make stone tools and hunt. These features belong to one of the strangest relatives of humans, a species called Homo floresiensis, also known by the nickname the Hobbit. About 60,000 years ago, this human relative lived on the island of Flores in Indonesia. So far, its remains have only been discovered in Liang Bua Cave, a cave that, in 2003, became the site of one of the most important discoveries in the history of paleoanthropology. Among the findings was the relatively complete skeleton of a female individual, coded LB1. This specimen, which is considered the most complete fossil of Homo floresiensis, was about 1 meter tall and weighed nearly 25 kilograms. But her most astonishing feature was the size of her brain. The brain volume of LB1 has been estimated at between 380 and 420 cubic centimeters, smaller than the brains of many modern chimpanzees. However, archaeological evidence shows that Homo floresiensis had the ability to make and use stone tools. The tools discovered in Flores show that this species could hunt animals and use environmental resources effectively. The structure of its body was also a mixture of ancient and advanced features: a wide pelvis, a receding forehead, no chin, relatively short legs, and large feet. These features suggest that it was probably not a fast runner, but it was highly adapted to life in the island environment of Flores. At that time, Flores was home to unique animals, including dwarf stegodonts, extinct relatives of elephants, as well as Komodo dragons. The available evidence shows that Homo floresiensis lived in this same environment and probably hunted stegodonts. Many researchers believe that the ancestors of this species originated from Homo erectus. Long-term isolation on Flores and limited food resources probably caused a phenomenon known as island dwarfism, an evolutionary process in which the body size of living creatures decreases in island environments. However, the exact origin of Homo floresiensis is still debated, and some researchers believe this species may have come from ancestors even more primitive than Homo erectus.